Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to do a round dirty pour because I have some chestnut bronze left over that I want to use up. So I'm just going to use 2 small cups on here and we will just dirty pour it. So I'm going to grab 2 cups real quick. I do want to spray those with my WD-40 silicone spray. It helps release all the paint from the cup. I don't spray over my canvas so we don't get any resistance. Okay, so I'm going to use black in the bottom. I want to put just a little bit of that chestnut bronze on top. I'm going to follow that with the Lucas yellow ochre. It's fall. It's time to get the fall stuff going. And I'm going to follow that with, actually I think I'll use the beige next. Good shot of silicone that came out of that one. And we'll follow that with red ochre. And put a little more chestnut bronze here. I want to get just one more layer of that in there somewhere. I'll lay it on its side. Some more black. This is where I want it, on the black, so we don't lose it. So all these paints do have silicone in them. Okay. This is plenty of paint for this canvas. One tiny shot of black down the middle. Okay. Let's see if I can scrape a little bit of that out of there. This stuff's like gold. Even though it's not gold, right? There it comes. Get that last little bit in there. I want a lot of that bronze color in there. Hopefully it'll show up. Okay, I'm going to give those just a tiny swirl. And I'm just going to pour. See, all your paint comes out of the cup. I'm going to go this way with this one. Got a lot of paint there. Oh, good. Okay. I'll leave that little bit there for skin. You've been watching my videos. I've been picking up the skins in the video. Oops, let's give that a quick torch. Air bubbles don't want to pop for me today. Got a little bit of green there from the yellow ochre. A little patch of white to open up hopefully in lace. I'll leave that there for a minute and torch it again. Being a little stubborn. Let's let it sit for 10 minutes and see if we get some more cells. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So as I sat here watching, the cells came up a little bit. This opened up a little bit. I'm going to give it one more torch, but I think I'm going to move it because it's a little off balance to me. So I'm going to go this way to take this out. And I love that the black made the green. I think that will be much better. Yes, much better. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this one. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse, with Christina Welch. I have a new paint line that you can order through there. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out my art page on Facebook as well, Christina Welch Art. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have torches and pads, the pouring trays, the airbrush, all kinds of goodies in there. Items that you might be looking for in your local craft store and you can't find, I find them on Amazon and I put them in my shop. And also join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We do about 4 or 5 pours and we chit chat. It's a good time. We laugh every Monday night. It's just the best medicine for all the things that are going on in our world today. If you need a pick-me-up, please join us. Check out all those links below. There's so many more. Our Etsy shop and the resin code and our post office box. Sponsor the channel through the PayPal link that enters you for our quarterly drawing. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.